Today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then click here on the always on display. Then just tap here on the always on display again, and here you can see that we got a lot of settings. We can select one from these tabs to always on display. For example, that can be their regular signature. You can here change just the phrase, for you can just enter here something just yours. We can change here the size, the text color, the legend, the text size. We can make it bigger or smaller. Also we can here to change the bold and to enable or disable the date and time, battery setting, battery information, and the notifications here. And we can also apply this, for example, as can you see by this way we just apply the new tab. Also we can here select the analog clock, the kaleidoscope. We got this kaleidoscope tab before. Also we can set here the digital clocks, or just to select the tab with the background. For example, this one here, we can change the color of our clock and date and time and battery status. We can also here to enable or disable the battery, to show the battery on the notification, and then just click here to apply. And now, as can you see, we'll just change our always on display look. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD feature on our Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.